I'm going to show you how you can create images like these in AI in seconds, and then you can use them to promote your t-shirt business or whatever you like. Let's go.
T-shirt help desk.
What's up, guys? Gary, T-shirt help desk here, and I have a treat for you guys today. If you have been on this channel, you know I am a huge fan of AI. Let the haters begin.
It's always using AI. I hate them.
And in this video, I'm going to show you something that's like revolutionary. We're going to get into creating videos. Now, some of you may be thinking, what does that have to do with t-shirts? Let me tell you. First of all, if you're in this t-shirt thing, there's a great possibility that you're going to have a social media page. You're also going to probably be running ads, and you definitely are going to have a website. All of these things need video. Video is a great way, even if you're not showing a t-shirt, it's a great way to set the mood for your theme or your niche. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use some more AI, and I'm going to go into ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you some themes that are popular in the t-shirt business, and then we're going to see how we can translate that into video. Let's go. So I went over to ChatGPT and I asked, hey Chat, what are the top t-shirt niches of 2024? And what do you see trending for 2025? Pop culture fandoms, humor and memes, streetwear influence, sustainability, tech wear, astrology and mysticism, family and relationships. All right, here it is. Let's go over to Image Presto and let's make some vids. Okay, we're in Image Presto and we're gonna hit get started. We're gonna go down here to image generation and just take a look at these. All of these were created simply by using a prompt. I don't know if you guys saw my video on LeftJust Tees for dog enthusiasts, but imagine running ads for that and using something like this. See this guy walking? That could totally be used on ads and in social media. Now let's just say you were launching something like a new t-shirt line or a new capsule. Look at this one right here. This could kind of be a play on that. You see the rocket launching, that could represent a launch. And let's go up here. You see, let's just say you had something that had to do with cold weather or something that had to do with running or perhaps running in cold weather. You can use something like this. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, right? And you see this one right here where it says sustainability. I'm just going to ask it, sustainability. What type of images and or videos would I create to advertise to my core target audience? Ask Chat a question and ye shall get an answer. Now, one of the things that Chat suggests is display your t-shirts in natural settings like forests, beaches, or gardens. I think we can make a video about that. So the first thing that we're going to do is find a control or a guidance image. So I'm going to go to Google and we're going to look up some type of image because Image Presto needs a seed image, like a reference to create the video. Then I'm going to show you how you can create the seed image in Image Presto. So let's find something. Woman running through beautiful forest. Now let's click images and let's take a look. Okay, let's go back up. Okay, let's see what she's talking about. You know what? Let's go down. You know what? We're gonna go with her. Now let's upload that to Image Presto. All right, so we have that there and we're gonna enter, we're gonna copy that prompt and we're gonna post it there. We're gonna write shot of woman jogging through a beautiful natural forest. I'm just gonna leave it like that and we are going to, let's play it. Wow, it turn the actual image into a video. That is amazing. It's like the exact same images. That is awesome.
I just thought of something. I have a t-shirt line that's based on cryptocurrency. So instead of going to Google, I'm going to create an image from scratch right here in Image Presto and then turn it into a video.
And I'm going to go to get started, and I'm going to go to image generation. And I have this prompt right here of a man throwing Bitcoins in the air, shot from overhead, looking down. Overhead, looking down on the man. He sits on his couch and looks up. So let's generate this and see what we get.
And it's nice. All right, we got a gentleman throwing Bitcoin coins up in the air. We all know that those aren't real. So we're going to download that and go back into video generation, upload it, and make a video.
All right. And I think we're going to use
the same prompt.
Generate. It's processing, and let's see. It's done. Let's play video. Wow. Look at that. Imagine something like that as your hero image, video on your website, or something like that. You can crop it and put it in your social media, put it in an ad, put it in the email, send it to people. Amazing.
Hey folks, I want to take a minute to talk to you about Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying.
The book has been updated with so much information, all the great information from the original book, but updated with current up-to-date information, especially the implementation of AI. But wait, there's more. There's also the new companion book, the Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying workbook, sketchbook, and journal, to where you literally can open it up, answer the questions, write in everything, do the sketches, and literally by the time the book is over, you will have a blueprint and roadmap to starting the t-shirt business. Okay, they go together like peanut butter and jelly. Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying, 10th anniversary edition, and the companion workbook, sketchbook, and journal. Available on Amazon.com. Back to the video. I'm pretty much showing you how this whole thing works and how you can use it with your t-shirt, but with anything really, but with your t-shirt business, in ads on your website, on social media, and just go crazy. All right, there's going to be a link for Image Press down in the description box, guys. Hold on, let me take off the sexy specs here. And guys, AI is not going anywhere. It is here to stay. A lot of people like to talk about, oh, AI is taking our jobs. How about using AI to quit your job? How about that one? You guys, sometimes when you say stuff like AI is going to take your job, that's a lack mindset. You need to be thinking about abundance. Anyway, guys, fooled around with y'all long enough. Check out Image Presto. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace.
T-shirt Help Desk.